I'm Roxanne Ray. I have been an agency owner going on 7 years now, and I just wanted to make this recording to tell you about Pritam. He is amazing. When we were looking to find a funnel builder, a funnel designer and builder in one, I had been putting off building a website, or I call it a website or a funnel, for quite some time. I had decided I want to do it. I come from the agency world where I was building everything, and I thought, what, I'll build this. I'm going to build this funnel. It's no big deal for ourselves internally. And I had been dragging my feet. Finally, I came across Pritam in the GoHighLevel Facebook group, and he had posted something about an example of his work. And I thought, wow, he's really good. So I reached out to him, and I asked him, hey, are you available to get on Zoom? He was available almost immediately. We jumped on Zoom. I think it was in the afternoon, and I know he's in India, so I have no idea what time it was his time zone. He is a great communicator. I noticed that right off the bat. Asked him about some testimonials, about some examples, and he shared with me a testimonial video, pretty much like the one you're watching now, of someone who was very happy with his work. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to take a chance on him. This is a great testimonial. He seems very genuine. I feel like I've had good energy with him. So I sent him over the money for the funnel, sent him over the details. I had all the copy ready to go, had all the creatives, and he went to work. And I am blown away at how quickly, number one, he was able to complete the funnel. And it was a very long sales page funnel. I mean, this wasn't just a couple of things. It was a very long sales page funnel. And he is super communicative. I mean, he over communicated, was always there. Anytime he asked a question, I was also making myself available so we could get it done quickly. And he went above and beyond my expectations. And I'm so thrilled that I decided to take a chance on him. And if you're thinking about it too, highly recommend that you hire Pritam to build your sales funnel in ClickFunnels or in the GoHighLevel platform. I know he also knows WordPress. So any of those platforms, he is your go-to guy. In fact, he's our now go-to guy for all things sales funnel design and creation. And just because of the turnaround time, number one, the turnaround time, couldn't believe it. It was like less than a week and he had it completed. And how communicative he was. He is very communicative. We communicated via Facebook Messenger. Anytime he responded, I responded right back to him. So we were able to get this done fairly quickly. I know that he shared with me that he works with one client at a time, gets them finished, and then gets to the next project. Not client, but project, right? This project, get it done. This project, get it done. So you can know once he started on your project, it's going to be completed pretty dang quickly. So the other thing is, I just want to make sure you understand that this was probably one of the easiest transactions, outsourced transactions I've ever done in my business. And like I mentioned earlier, I've been in business for almost 7 years. So if you were thinking about hiring someone who has great design, great eye for design, who has an incredible turnaround time, and is someone you can communicate with very easily, Pritam's your guy. Don't think about it. Just hire him and he'll do a great job for you.